have here with me is about to change my life forever. I have each and every one of you to thank for that. You all made it possible. A word can describe how happy I am just to get this. And the story behind getting this, it hasn't been easy. Thinking about video ideas, making videos, getting 2 views, getting 1 views, not giving up. People that I know telling me to keep going, be consistent, one day it will pay off. Keep uploading, improve one thing every other video, improve one thing whenever you post. Just keep uploading, guys. For over 2 years, I was just doing everything I can do just to make sure that I keep up with uploading videos for you guys. Sometimes you guys show me that, okay, what I'm doing, you guys are seeing some improvement. And today, guys, I got this. Now, the story behind getting this, it was hectic, guys. It was very hectic. I waited for 3 good months to get this, but it's finally here. So let me give you a little backdrop on how this finally got to me. I got monetized on March of this year, and since March I was getting my 2 cents, my 1 cent per video, my 2 cents per video. So after I did a live stream that went viral, I get to my threshold of 1,000 rand, which is what you need to get before YouTube starts paying you. It's equivalent of 100 rand, $100. So after I got that, I was told to verify my identity, so which is normal for YouTube and Google AdSense. So I verified my facial, I used the facial recognition, my driver's license, I put on everything, and then they said I must verify my home address. Now guys, that is where the problem started. So I verified my home address, I gave them my address, everything that is required, and then they mailed this to me on the 1st of July 2025. Guys, just be attentive. This was mailed to me on the 1st of July 2025, and from what AdSense says, I was supposed to get this 2 or 3 weeks after it was mailed. Now the whole of July passed, I didn't get anything. I was surprised. It's something that you see your money here, this is your money, but you can't access it. Why? Because something that is holding you is just 6-digit PIN. I asked, nobody gave me any useful answer. I asked nothing. I went to Google Help and feedback. Nobody gave me an answer. So I'm like, okay, no, you know what? Let me try and resubmit, do the whole thing so that they will resend this. So I did it again on the 2nd of August 2025. Now, after I did that, I'm like, okay, you know what? If this thing doesn't come up, I'm still not gonna give up. I will find ways to get to the bottom of this, why I haven't received this. Now, when you do the resubmission, for them to resend you, they're still gonna send you the same PIN that they sent you the first time. But just to make sure that you get it, they will tell you if the first one came or if the second one comes on time. Whichever one you get, just put it because it is the same PIN. Now, since the whole of August, every day, guys, every day, whenever I wake up, the first thing I do is to head on to my PO box, open it, check if this thing have arrived. Nothing. Every day from August 1st till August 31st, every day, I didn't miss any single day. Come rain, come sunshine, I do this every day. Now, after everything, nothing happened. And with YouTube, once they mail with Google AdSense, the problem that a lot of people encounter is once they mail this to you, they are going to give you 3 to 4 months to verify, because they mailed this to me on the 1st of July, and they said before the 1st of November, if I did not verify, I will stop getting paid. Not that I will stop getting paid, I will still be receiving money from YouTube, but it won't be reflecting on my Google AdSense. So that was problem number 1. Problem number 2, I don't know if my PO box is faulty, I don't know, but what I know is I've been receiving packages from the same address. So to me it was okay, but to go 2 months without receiving this, I was very pissed off, I was very angry. So I'm like, okay, you know what, let me reach out to my friend. This is him, you can go check him out. We are planning to do a collaboration video, and I hope you guys stick around and watch it. So I spoke with him, and I'm like, hey my man, please, can you assist me with this? This is what have been going with me. I sent this since July, and I haven't received anything. And it's like, okay, you know what? I had the same problem as you. What you are going to do is go to your nearest post office, tell them to give you the undelivered letter to your home address that you need to check and see if these have arrived. I went there, they told me, okay, there are 2 different packages, one with tracking number and one without tracking number that is delivered to your home address. I'm like, okay, the one without tracking number is the one that I did because this package comes from overseas. They're like, oh, you came late because I went there around 3 o'clock. So they said, okay, you know what, come tomorrow around 10 o'clock and we'll sort it out for you. So I went there. I was lucky enough, I met the same lady that I met, and she's like, oh, I remember you, okay, come this side, let's go to where you are going to get it sorted out. So she took me to where I will get this sorted out, and the guy said, write down your address and I'll go inside and check. Guys, I wrote down my address. He went there, spent more than 10 minutes because I was I was impatient waiting for him. After 10 minutes, he came out and he gave me packages, up to 10 packages, letters, mails. And as I was going, because they were just like this, just small like this. So as I was going, I saw something. Google. I'm like, no, this must be it. I don't have any other thing, but this must be it. Immediately I took it out. I saw my home address. I saw everything that it belongs to Google. And then I turned it out and it says Google Access. Guys, I couldn't retain my joy. I couldn't retain how happy I am, because this just shows that all those years making videos, posting videos has finally paid off. So the reason I'm saying this, or the reason I'm telling this story, is for you. If you're a content creator, if you're trying to be a content creator and you feel like, oh, content creation is saturated, no, it is not. Just stick to your lane and do what you think people are going to watch. Make videos that you think people are going to watch. Make videos about yourself. Tell stories. If you like eating, eat your food, post it. People like watching mukbang videos. If you like traveling, travel, take videos, make videos, post it, make videos, post it. Because I was a nobody before, and today I got my first official verification that is going to, with this verification right now, it is going to activate my payment from YouTube. So I just want to use this opportunity and say thank you to each and every one of you that have been watching my videos, engaging my content, and it's time that we get to work. Let us get to work, because the real work has just started. I'm just gonna fill this in right now, and that I will do off camera, but just once again, thank you to all of you for making this possible. I really appreciate each and every one of you that made it possible for me. Bye bye.